We've coined a term to describe the situation that exists in today's 300 millimeter factories called a gigafactory or a gigafab. And to give you an idea of the kind of data collection that goes on in a gigafab, we look at all the different range of semi-standards necessary to support that automated operation. A gigafab is defined as one that handles 100,000 or more wafer starts per month. If you think about a 4-month manufacturing cycle, then 100,000 wafer starts and completions a month means there are over 400,000 individual substrates in the factory at a given time. There's probably over 5,000 pieces of equipment running 24/7 to manufacture that amount of product. So if you look at the wheel here, the different kind of activities that go on, you'll see that how many FOUPs are moved, how many wafers are started, how many recipes are run, how many fault detection models are run, how many sensor readings are taken, how much EUV data collection is done, and you look at the panoply of semi-standards that support all that activity, the data is mind-boggling. And the only way to deal with the numbers is to think about it in a minute terms. And so this slide shows you just how important and how constant the data collection process is in a modern gigafab. Now, the good news for that is it's still a relatively homogeneous environment, but all of that is changing in a smart manufacturing world. Okay, all right.